Hey, and welcome back to Al's Tool Chest. Today I'm going to be taking a look at my new mid-sized chest, my 3-drawer chest. I bought it just before Christmas. It's from the Halfords range. Normally retails at £120 sterling, but this was on special offer and it came in at £65. So I bagged it while I had the chance. It's sturdy steel construction. The drawers fully extend, so easy access to all your tools. We got full roller bearings on the side, nice smooth action. Comes with rubber mats in the bottom of each drawer to keep your tools from scratching or damaging the chest. Like all Halfords tool chests, you can lock it up, and overall I'm very pleased with it. What I would say is it's not the same construction as the more expensive brands such as Snap-on or Mac, but it's certainly as good a quality of the likes of Clark's or Clark's Industrials that you can purchase from Machine Mart, and considerably cheaper. If you've got any questions regarding the tool chest, please comment below. Otherwise, like, share and subscribe. Speak to you again. Have a good day, YouTubers.